In this presentation, I'm going to look at using probability trees to solve a probability problem. So here's the question. Suppose there are three cards in a hat. One of these cards is white on both sides, another is red on both sides, and the remaining card is white on one side and red on the other. Now, a card is selected at random and dropped on the table. The upward facing side is red. What is the probability that the downward side is also red? Now I've set up a very simple probability tree. White white means that this here means white white. We're not actually interested in that. Necessarily one of the sides must be red. So I'm just going to sort of cross that off there. Red red and white red. Now the card with two red sides, I'm going to give each of those cards sides a name. The first will be red 1 and the second will be red 2. That's very specific to red card. With white red card, I'm just going to leave it as R for the red side, W for the white side. Now, because we already know that the upward facing card is red, I'm going to cross this one off as well because this is also not of interest. So we have three scenarios here, three possibilities which describe our situation. For the red card, the red 1 is the upward facing side. So that necessarily means R2 is the downward side. Likewise, for if R2 is the upward side, R1 is the downward side. And if it is the white red card and the red card is facing upwards, necessarily the white side is downward. So, out of these three possibilities, two correspond to a red card being below. So it would be this one and this one, but not this one. So the answer is 2/3. So that's the answer we have. So that is a probability tree approach, but also what I'm going to do is a sample space approach here just for the sake of completion. So again, this is the first card here, white white, this is the white red card, and this is the red red card. Now we're not interested in the white white card at all, so we'll cross that off. Also on the top side, we're not interested in the white card, the white side of the white red card being on top, so we're also going to cross this off. So we were left again with three possibilities. Red on top, white below, red 1 on top, red 2 below, red 2 on top, red 1 below. So how many of these possibilities relate to a red card? Well, again, there's 2 out of 3. So there's one possibility out of the 3 that it's a white card, a white side, and 2 out of 3 relating to the fact that it is a red card. So again, the probability is 2/3. And not 50% as some people may think.